Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to upgrade RAM on your Lenovo laptops. And in my case, I have the Lenovo IdeaPad, as you can see here. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to remove the hard drive, the battery, sorry. Then after, you want you to unscrew all these pins. In case here we have 3. Then other side you have to unscrew here, as you can see, all the screws you can see, plus removing the rubber. And I'm going to go ahead and move the cover. Then for the RAM, this is what you do. You see the RAM has some attachments there. So what you're going to do, you get a new RAM that you want to fix, and then you press it inside here. Then you slap it inside there. Then after, you close your computer. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Then after, you can also power on the computer. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.